Hello everyone and welcome to another WIX tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to apply 301 redirects in WIX. We are going to go straight to the point, but before we go there, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So you are going to log in to your WIX backend. You're going to come to this screen, and from the left-hand side, you are going to click Site and Mobile App drop-down menu, and you are going to select SEO. Once you select SEO here, you're going to scroll down, and you are going to select URL Redirect Manager. So you are going to click here, URL Redirect Manager. Now we're going to say we want to add a new redirect. And all we have to do here is to give the old URL, but we are not going to put the entire URL, HTTP and all these things, only slash, let's say old URL. So you're going to copy only the clean portion of the URL that you want to redirect. This is the old URL that doesn't exist. And this is the new URL that does exist and you want to permanently redirect to. And you are going to say it goes to, and here when you type slash, you're going to see a list of your pages also, or you can start typing and you can select the page where you want this old URL to redirect to. Once you are happy, then you're going to say save. And once you save, don't forget to go to your website and test it out, meaning open your browser, put the old URL, and you should be redirected to the new URL. That's it. That's how simple it is. There is only one little detail for those of you who are more advanced in WIX. There is group redirect, which means we can redirect an entire path. If let's say we have paths, like for example, slash products slash, let's say, collection A, and then we change the path, then we're going to select group redirect and do exactly the same thing. But for the majority of us that we want to redirect a blog or any other page, we're going to come here, we're going to enter the old URL, and we are going to select the new URL. We're going to click save, and that's all you need to do to implement 301 permanent redirects on your WIX website. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day in any time.